In this video, I will show you how to update your Netflix app on your Google TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and proceed to the Home tab of your Google TV right here. What you need to do is to make sure you navigate to Settings, or from your remote, simply click on Setting icon on your remote. Once you click on Setting icon, click on OK. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, click on Apps, and then make sure you look for Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store, click on Open. And the next thing you want to do is to slide to the top, slide to the right side, slide again until you get to your profile of your Google account. Click on OK, then click on OK again, and then you have updates right here. Click on Updates. Then you want to make sure you scroll down right there and select Netflix, just like so. All you have to do right there is to slide this way. You have Update. All you have to do right there is to simply click on OK to update your Netflix app. Allow the update to run completely to 100%. After a successful update, next thing you can do here is to click on Open. And you are done. You can simply log into your Netflix account. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.